As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter, be a brainy buyer.
Hey, I'm looking at two Charbroil grills, the Grill2Go X200 and the Cruise. What are the major differences?
Okay, let's break it down. The Grill2Go X200 ASINB00 BFPM Li8 is a portable, single-burner propane grill, whereas the Cruise ASINB0B34F9C16 is a full-sized, three-burner grill.
Right, portability is key for me sometimes. So the Grill2Go is smaller?
Exactly. The Grill2Go has a cooking surface of 200 square inches. The Cruise doesn't specify its exact cooking area, but with three burners, it's definitely significantly larger. Think family barbecue versus a camping trip.
Got it. What about the heat output?
The Grill2Go has a 9,500 BTU burner. The Cruise doesn't list a total BTU, but it boasts a max mode, reaching over 700 degrees for searing. So while the Grill2Go is adequate, the Cruise is designed for high heat cooking.
Interesting. The Cruise sounds fancy. What's this cruise control technology it mentions?
That's the big selling point. It allows you to set and maintain a specific cooking temperature. It even has an auto-clean function. The Grill2Go is more basic, with a push-button ignition and a temperature gauge on the lid.
Auto-clean sounds amazing. What materials are they made of?
The Grill2Go has stainless steel cooking grates and a porcelain-coated steel firebox. The Cruise features porcelain-coated cast-iron grates, stainless steel burners, and a stainless steel construction.
And the price difference?
The Grill2Go is around $147 right now. The Cruise is currently unavailable, but generally speaking, grills with more features like that tend to be more expensive.
Okay, so the Grill2Go is a simple, portable option, and the Cruise is a high-tech, full-size grill with temperature control. Anything else I should know?
Yeah, the Grill2Go runs on small propane tanks, while the Cruise uses a standard propane tank. The Cruise also has LED lights and locking casters. The Grill2Go is lightweight and has carry handles, emphasizing its portability.
Perfect. Thanks for the breakdown. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.